Peace, family. I'm gonna be showing y'all a new Earth grid today. Let's go. This is Dan Shaw, the Vortex Detective. He gave us the first Earth grid. I found a map on his Facebook page. So you want to go to maps.leylines.net. Then once the map loads, you want to go to data. And then you can add different points and features on the map. So this is after I added the UVG grid to the map. The data points you can add on here are a game changer. Here's just one of the few features. You can add HAARP stations to the map. Or we can add pyramids to the map. We can add UFO hotspots to the map. Underground city, obelisk, mountain, volcano, lakes, stone circle, underwater ruin, temples, churches and monasteries, stargates, Air Force bases, significant earthquakes, past tsunamis and hurricanes, and active hurricanes, railway maps and sea route, air routes, fluctuation of glaciers, the locations of past eclipses, the locations of major kingdoms, major cultures, trade routes, anomalous areas, and you can even track the weather in real time. So as you can tell, this map is so much more advanced. It gives you so much more information about what influences on your environment are happening. Now, with all this knowledge, what are you going to do to influence the planet through this energetic grid that connects us all, that decides whether or not we're at peace or destruction? I know what I'm going to do. So tap in for more tips about how to grid your Earth for the betterment of all humanity. Peace.